Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you that how you can create an EA account. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser and here type in EA Sports. Now hit the enter key and go to this first link which says www.ea.com. Once you are at the website, on the top right corner, you will see this icon which says profile. Click on this and now click on this create account button. Now here you can sign in while using your Google account, your Facebook Apple ID, Steam, Xbox or PlayStation account. Otherwise, you can also create your personal account. Just select your country or region from here, then enter the date of birth and now click on this next button. Here you will have to enter your email ID. Now enter your EA ID. This is how your friends can find you in the app or in EA games. Your EA ID must be 4 to 16 characters. Now enter a password for your EA ID and then click the next button. After that, choose the profile visibility. Who can see you? Everyone, my friends, friends of my friends, or private account. After that, you have to allow players to find me with my email address, email me about EA products, news, events, and promotions, and accept the user agreement. After that, click on this Create Account button. Now enter the verification code that you have received on your email address, and after you enter the verification code, click the next button and your EA account will be created. That's how simple it is to create your personal EA account. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.